Hi everybody, thanks a lot for coming into my kitchen. Well, today I am making the family's famous holiday sherry cake. I was making this recipe when I was a freshman in high school. Oh my goodness, was that a lot of years ago? Like 1967 is when I think I started making it. And this is my mom's handwriting, and this came from her, her file box. I wanted to show you a couple of things. I have a Bundt pan here. This, I think, is an 8-cup Bundt pan, and it's non-stick. But I like to, I like to oil them and then flour them. But I have to show you the slickest thing. This is my new toy. This is a flour shaker, if you will. You can use it for all kinds of things, powdered sugar, cocoa, all those. But what you do is you open up this compartment here. See there, it opens and closes. And you dip this into whatever you want to sift, and then you close it up, and then you just shake it. You shake it, shake it, shake it. And it made this beautiful coating of flour. So, Bundt pan, floured and oiled, and now let's rock and roll. And I will also put that, I've got a link for it down below, and I'll leave that for you in case you're interested in looking at it. Now this is a simple cake. You start with your Betty Crocker's yellow cake mix. You have the Jell-O instant vanilla pudding. You have, well, here comes the good part. You have some, sherry is really, you need the sherry, but you don't have to go, expensive. It can be a cream sherry, it could be a dry sherry, whatever, it's fine. Some vegetable oil, some eggs, and a little nutmeg. So I'm going to get all this organized and we'll be back. Now I have all these things in my mixer bowl. You don't need a standing mixer. If you have a hand mixer, it works just great. So I have the cake mix in here, I have the pudding mix in here. Here comes my nutmeg, and of course I'll have all the measurements and the instructions in the information box. And I'm just right now just going to give this a little dance around the dance floor here, so just to kind of mix all those things up. Oh, I can smell that nutmeg already. All right, I'm going to bring this down, and I'm going to add some vegetable oil and the sherry. Woohoo! Sounds good. Okay, that's the sherry. And I'm going to give this a good mix. And, oh, I can smell the sherry now. Oh, that smells good. This needs to be all mixed in, which I will do. And once that is ready to start adding the eggs, I'll come back. All right, I'm going to bring this down, and I'm going to give it a scrape around the bowl here. Make sure we have nothing on the bottom. And see, there is a little down there, so I'm going to get that all mixed in. This is a great recipe, and we used to have this between Christmas and New Year's because we'd have so much stuff at Christmas that we needed a break from it, and then we would have this almost to New Year's Eve. So I have that all mixed up there, and now I'm going to start adding 4 eggs, and each one comes one at a time. So that's the first one, and get that well mixed in, and then I will begin to add the other 3. Then once I have those mixed in, I'm going to beat this mix about 5 minutes. Okay, this is 5 minutes on the mixer. It's nice and light, lovely. Get that all scraped off there, best I can. Works pretty good. Now I'm going to bring my prepared pan in here. I'm going to pour it in there, try to be as neat as I can, which is always. Director, would you bring your hand in here and turn that pan for me? Yeah, that's it. Keep going. Now, what we're going to do is I'm going to put this in a preheated now 350-degree oven, and your rack's going to be right in the center of the oven. And it's going to cook about 40-45 minutes, and I'll come in about that time with, a toothpick, and we're going to do that toothpick test where you put the toothpick down into the center of that cake. If it comes out clean, you're good to go. If it comes out and still a little wet, put it back for another minute or two and check it again, and just kind of keep that, just keep checking it, keep checking it. My oven's pretty reliable, so I'm going to start checking it at about 40 minutes. Once it is done and out of the oven, we'll be back. All right, the moment of truth has come. I'll tell you right now, it has been a very long time since I have turned a cake out. Eek. So come on down, let's do it together. Put that on there and see if I need, no, those handles feel pretty good. So here we go. Here we go. I can move that out of the way here. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. All right. Yeah. Eek. There it is. Oh, not bad. Not bad. Tiny little bit there. I think I know someone who might want that. I'm going to set that just in case somebody wants it. Let me take a quick look here. We'll all take a quick look here. Oh, but isn't it beautiful? Oh, yeah. Oh, you just wait. Another 24 hours. It is going to be. Actually, it's in the inside that it stuck. Oh, heck. Well, I think it looks pretty good. So, I'm going to let this cool thoroughly, and then I'm going to wrap it in plastic wrap, and then I'm going to wrap all of that in aluminum foil, so it's got a really good seal to it. And then I don't think we're going to eat it at least till tomorrow, maybe even the day after that, but tomorrow. Yeah, we'll eat it tomorrow. So, but that's going to really help, mellow out those flavors, and that sherry's going to just kick into high gear, so you really taste that, you really taste the nutmeg. Can't wait. So we will put this on hold, and we will be back in a couple of days. Now, honestly, I don't think you're going to believe that we're going to take our first sample test in front of you. We kind of broke into it. And it's really good, but we're going to sample it for you on camera, so we will be back. Gee, are you ready to taste this cake?
Yes, I'm dying to know what it tastes like.
I can't wait to know how it tastes. Well, Christmas came. I wasn't even going to make it until between Christmas and New Year's, but
ladies first.
There you go. No, since I'm
all right.
Like it's going to be a big surprise.
Then I'll cut into the biggest side.
I think that's a good idea.
Oh, it smells so good.
It does.
You can smell a sherry in there.
Yeah, you can, and the nutmeg. You know what it is about this cake is it really does get better. A few days into it, the sherry kicks in and the nutmeg. This is better than last night. I mean, really, it is. And we had it last night, let me tell you.
And the night before.
Oh my goodness, that's good.
It's excellent.
Let me take one more.
Moist?
Very moist.
Moist.
It's really good.
The sherry in there.
Oh, the sherry.
Vanilla, all the spices.
It's delicious.
We're gonna get yourself a cup of coffee.
Oh yeah.
Sit by the fire. Watch it snow outside, which it's doing right now.
We're going to break this cake down, what's left of it, and we're going to freeze it for future reference, right?
Oh, okay.
All right. Everybody, we hope you try this recipe. It's delicious.
It's delicious. It really is.
And it's true. My mom, but it was a family recipe back to the 60s, and anybody says that it isn't, they're wrong. All right, everybody, take care. Thanks a lot for watching, and we will see you next time.
Bye-bye.